What's up guys? Welcome back to the Empire Motor Club vlog. Today we got a special guest, Dizzy. What's up?
What's up, Sonny?
So we're gonna go to a special place and Dizzy's gonna be driving her bad boy. Me, but you know, she's gonna be driving me, but she's gonna be in the Black Series. And we're gonna go take you guys for a little ride, and then what are we gonna do?
We're gonna test drive a car.
All right, let's get in the car and go. We are back.
I think the Black Series is probably the best ride I've ever had.
Really?
Other than
me? What the fuck? This is not good for these little kids watching this vlog.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it in that way.
This is why I love you.
You guys all have a dirty mind if you're thinking it. You guys are all thinking it.
We are in Dizzy's Black Series. There's only 3 in Taiwan, which is really dope. She likes her exclusive cars. So right now we're going to go take a look at another very, very exclusive and limited car. Especially especially in Taiwan, yeah. Because, yes, that first year one, there's only 5. The first year it came into Taiwan, there was only 5. We're gonna go check it out, go for a test drive, and we're gonna go meet the people at this supercar dealership called Sanling. Anyway, we're here. Look at all these cars. Holy shit. Yeah, you guys can't see it yet, but all right, we're here.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.我们到了Sanling，老板在这边，他可以先介绍一下给 Dizzy。Dizzy 想看这台 SPR， 所以你就可以简单的跟 Dizzy 说一下吗？
嗨，又见面了。这部车算它那个 Range Rover Sport SV 啊，算是它比较运动化的一个版本。那因为它本身当初在台湾进来的定价高，所以它进来的车子数量其实是很有限的。对，
它是只有5台嘛？
对，因为它当初的牌价基本上就已经接近快1000万。平均的侧踏，对。
啊，所以它关起来的时候，
它会自己收回去。对。
Oh, that's nice.
这是算蛮实用的。
Do it again. Okay. Okay.
Close it again. Sorry. Dude, it is carbon fiber.
Yeah. Oh, it's got some sports seats.
Wow. It's like all carbon fiber. Oh, this key. So cute.
What do you think? Yeah? Go for a little test drive?
Yes, please.
Alright, let's set up the GoPro.
谢谢老板. So we're gonna go for a test drive with this bad boy, and I'm about to start up the engine. These seats are really comfortable. I'm not a fan of these sports seats normally because it's like Sonny has them in like other cars and I hate them, but this is really comfortable. All right, are you ready, Sonny boy?
That's actually pretty badass.
It is so badass.
Wait, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. 对，还没改就这样子。
Wow.
Let's go for a test drive. Let's go. Okay, 他要开车。I kind of dig this car already. I guess my first impressions of the leather. Very nice. It's like grayish. Yeah, the carbon fiber is awesome. I really like the idea of having carbon fiber in all my cars. In our G-Class, there's no carbon fiber, it's just wood trim, but it makes it sportier. It makes it sportier. You know, I usually don't like interiors that are too light.
Yeah, me too. And I don't like two-tone interiors for some reason.
Yeah.
But I actually don't mind it so much.
Yeah, this one's actually pretty nice. It makes it feel bigger.
With the blue option, it was like an extra
Like
amount.
10几万 20多万 Yeah, for the paint. 因为这个是 like 特别的 SVR 的颜色。
I mean, like, it's a nice color, but like, I would prefer.
Well, we can matte wrap it. We can wrap it into your favorite matte black, right? Ooh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. I'm glad you love it, baby. When I sit in the G class, okay, don't get me wrong. We're the biggest G car lovers. We love the G class. All of our friends have G classes, but it's a little bumpier. I changed to the KW, the coilovers. I had the Bilsteins, and then I had but it's bumpier.
But it's a totally different feel.
It's a different feel. The
I mean-
windshield is more upright. You feel a little higher. You feel more gangster. But this car, I feel more James Bondish.
Well, I mean, it's almost like a sports car, right?
Do you guys hear that? Do you hear that?
Like, it
This
doesn't
is-
even feel like you're going that fast, though.
It's coming from an SUV.
But it's like you're going good, you know.
I think the question is, what's the purpose of this car? Because we already have a bunch of sports cars. We have a truck, a G-Class truck, G-Class A.
G-Class.
G-Class A. So the purpose of this car would be an everyday, multifunctional SUV, right? Like the everyday car. Well, if it's that, then that should be good. Like, I guess my main concern, I would like to drive it later, but my main
And
concern
also,
is
it adds to my SUV
collection.
Or like my matte black collection of cars, of special.
So you're
cars
thinking
that
about
look
getting this car ready too, then?
I never said that yet. But I mean,
If you were
said
getting
the
it, then you
purpose.
would-
No, we're talking about the purpose. So
Okay.
if we were to, you know,
All right, we are back. Let's see if these guys will give us a good deal. So that is it for the Range Rover Sport SVR. If you guys want to see any supercars in Taipei, come to Sanling. I want to give them a big shout out. We love them. They're gonna hook us up a lot. Hopefully give us a really good deal. Yeah, Dizzy and I are gonna go home. We'll talk a little more in the car. See you in a bit. Are you gonna come back again? You have no choice, you know.
mean. What do you?
You're my wife. You're gonna have to be on my vlogs.
Doesn't mean I have to be on your vlogs.
Oh,
I'm
yeah, it
gonna
does.
be nicely invited. It's like to see how much you want me on it.
Ah, okay.
You're gonna
Well-
have to bribe me with some car
I'm
stuff.
gonna have to bribe you with some car stuff. Why don't we leave it up to you guys? Do you guys want Dizzy back on the vlog or what? All right, leave a comment. Hit like, subscribe. If you want to see more of Dizzy and I, share.
There's more of Sunny.
All right, see you guys. Peace. We're off in the sunset.